How to fix voicemail notification not working in ThinkPhone 25. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on sound and vibration and click on do not disturb. If you turn on do not disturb, then turn it off. After turning off do not disturb, then go back and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and click on notifications and then click on app notifications, and here you can allow your apps notification. After that, go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on system and click on reset options and then reset your app preferences and then click on reset apps. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.